This is a video on a '07 Saturn Vue. Get a clunky noise at my steering column every time I turn the wheels a little bit or play with the steering column just back and forth, or when I was going over little bumps, basically going like this. Right here, clunk, 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 clunk. I replaced my rack and pinion, that didn't help. Replaced my outer tie rods, that didn't help. I replaced my center link, whatever you want to call them, that didn't help. So then I started digging down here. By the way, it's a Saturn Vue red line, just thought I'd throw that in there. It's not bad, I like it. 3.5 VTEC, IVTEC way. Anyways, this fucking bolt right up in that, let me turn the wheel for you. That one right there. What you gotta do is loosen it up and then push this unit right here, push it down, and as far as you can, and retighten it. Sounds weird, sounds dumb, dude, but that's what fucking fixed me. I haven't had that clunking issue since, and fuck, man, it took me 10 minutes less. Once again, that's just, you know, you remove this cover right here. I only took one bolt out. I was gonna show you guys. I took both of them down though to take that part off, and basically that's that guy, that bolt with that yellow painting. That's the guy you loosen up, push it down, retighten it, put it back together, and call it good, man. Say this for a steering wheel clunk on a Saturn Vue. I don't know if other vehicles are familiar or they're same as this, but yeah, man. Hope it helps you guys out. Later.